We're in Westminster, restoring the Duchy of Cornwall's historic London office at 10 Buckingham Gate, a Grade 2 listed Victorian gem facing Buckingham Palace. Designed in the 1850s by Sir James Pennethorne, the building reflects mid-Victorian Italianate grandeur, but decades of thick paint had sealed in moisture and hidden decay. London Stonemasonry's large projects team removed more than 50 layers of paint from the façade, using nearly 2,000 kilograms of chemical strippers and our superheated steam cleaning system. After stripping, each section was then surveyed in detail. Extensive damage was revealed. We removed cementitious repairs, reinstated lime mortars, and repaired decorative stucco and natural stone using conservation techniques. Balustrade sections too damaged to save were recarved by our stonemasons from Bath stone using our own templates. One of the project highlights was our replacement of the Prince of Wales's feathers emblem under the building's main portico. The original was beyond repair, so we sculpted a clay model before carving a new piece by hand in our workshop. The full façade was then unified with lime patch coats and repainted using over 1,000 litres of Keim mineral silicate paint, breathable, protective, and historically accurate. Restored in under a year, every detail of 10 Buckingham Gate's façade, from enriched cornices and dentils to balustrades and window surrounds, is now crisp, legible, and protected for the future.